Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning. Side Hustle Survivalist here, helping you to thrive and survive. I got a good one for you today. Man, are you tired of paying those high-dollar HVAC air conditioning bills and everything? Because they're going out the roof. And with this summer that we've had, the highest temperatures ever, I got a little hack, let's just say, a little cool hack, a cool deal, pardon the pun, to help take some of that summer heat off. So you're still going to have to use electricity with this deal, but you're not going to be using near as much as running an HVAC unit. And this can work in campers, this can work in tents, you can run it off a solar bank and everything. So let me show you what you need. You need a 5-gallon bucket, all right? Get a 1-gallon jug and then a fan. This is going to cost a little bit. I think it's $3 to $5 for the 5-gallon bucket at Walmart. You can pick up any of these fans. You can go to thrift stores. This one actually came from a thrift store. I think I paid $3 for it. Has a little clip on and everything. So $3, 5-gallon can, whatever gallon of milk is in your area, some tape, and then you're also going to need a piece of PVC pipe. 1.5 inches is what I have here. You can use 1.5 inches, you can use 2 inch, whatever kind of scrap you may have around. First thing you're gonna do, fill your jug with water and put it in the freezer. Let it freeze. Let that thing become a block of ice. And you can have other little bottles of water, freeze them too. So first thing you do after you get your 5-gallon bucket, drill you a hole in here. So I got 1.5 inch pipe, I got an 1.5 inch hole. All right, I get my 1.5 inch pipe, I stick it in my hole, and you can either caulk it with caulking, or you can use the good old tape. You know, black tape, Gorilla tape, duct tape, whatever it may be. I'm just gonna put that on there for now. Normally you would just go ahead and caulk it. And all we need to do is just have it where it holds it in place. But you want to seal around that. You want to seal around that pipe, okay? So you can run tape all the way around. Stick your a gallon jug of ice in there. All these buckets come with lids. Cut the lid out a circle that fits your fan, all right? Or whatever fits your fan. Make sure that's on there, sealed on there tight. Get you a piece of tape ready, and we're gonna stick our fan up on here. All right, I cut it where it would fit, and I'm gonna tape. Make sure you don't tape around the top where the airflow gets in. You wanna keep it where air can still come in. You can use cardboard on this also, just so you can know. Cardboard works fine if you don't have the lid. And you can also caulk around the top, but if you wanna be able to take that fan back out, I wouldn't put any caulking there. But we're gonna put that just like that. And all I did was, you can see how I placed that around. It's sitting in my hole, and I just taped around the edges. I didn't go all the way around for purposes of demonstration, but you can smell what I'm stepping in here, folks. So that's how it works. All right, then you turn that on, all right? And voila, instant air conditioner. You can see that. Let me get a piece of grass here. You can see how much that blows out. Watch. Whoa, there it goes. So stick that in the room, stick it by your head when you sleep at night. 1-gallon jug of ice in a closed environment, let's just say that way, will last about 7 to 8 hours of blowing cool air. If you're outdoors or in the heat, you're looking at 3 to 5. However long you know it lasts in your ice chest is basically about the same thing. But the more ice bottles you put in there, the cooler it gets. And so the whole idea is that you build a vacuum, or you seal this, and so when the fan pushes the air down, it blows it out your little pipe here, and you got an instant air conditioner. It still uses electricity, all right? But you tell me, you think running this little fan is gonna cost as much as your AC unit going 24/7 in this type of heat? Nah, you'll save a lot more money this way. So just another money-saving hack, or more of a make you more comfortable type of hack. So this is Side Hustle Survivalist, and everybody hit that like and subscribe button. Please share too. Send it to your friends. Put it on Facebook. I do have a page on Facebook now. I got a page on Twitter. I have a page everywhere, it seems like. But if you send it out, the algorithms will get out there. This is something that people need to know about and see today to save a few bucks, all right? We're all in this together. God bless, take care. home.